Mirema Ulana. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us today. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you, I appreciate you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this updo with the side fringe and clips, just to turn it up from 0 to 100 real quick. Woo! So yeah, I hope that you guys do enjoy the video. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Thing I like more than an easy style. So to start off, you're going to section your hair on either side of your head and create a side parting on either side. You're going to cross that over right in the center of your head and create like a middle sectioned hair, and then you're going to take that sectioned hair and tie it up in a ponytail of sorts, just to get it out of the way. You'll then follow that up by using your VO5 gel, whatever gel that works for you specifically and that works for your hair, and you're just going to sleek the rest of your hair up into an updo ponytail. And the one thing that I've discovered is if you work the gel into your hair, it makes it so much easier to sleek, because you kind of want all your hair to have that gel on it without putting so much of it. So you kind of just work it in like you would work in moisturizer or anything of that sort, and then you go in with a brush or a comb or whatever it is that works for your hair, and then you're going to just sleek it down and position your hair exactly where you want it to be. So you want to position your ponytail. And guys, just a note, an NB, make sure before you use gel for your hair that you detangle, wash, moisturize your hair. The reason why I'm asking that you guys detangle your hair is it makes it so much easier to work the gel in without breaking your hair, especially because you'll be using a brush or a comb to sleek it down. I'm now just using my fingers for the hairline part of my hair, because you know, just be gentle with your hairlines. And then I'm just going to tie that and wait for my hair to dry. Usually, depending on how long I want the style to last, I can keep that tied up overnight. If I tie it up overnight, it means in the morning it's really going to be dry. But if I'm in a hurry, this takes me about an hour or two. Now you're going to undo the sectioned hair that you'd left in the center, and then you're just going to cornrow it. You can cornrow, you can flat twist, whatever it is that you are good at. It just makes it easier to attach our curly hair that's going to form our fringe. And this curly hair we're going to use, I bought it like a while ago, so I don't actually have the name for it, but just use any kind of curls that you like. If you want it more wavy for your fringe, then go for wavy. If you want it to look more natural and you want it to be curly, then go for curly. So now I'm just going to create these 3 cornrows across, going across, and then I'm going to take my curly hair and attach it into my into those cornrows using bobby pins. Bobby pins are your friends, but if you have, let's say, clip-in weaves or wig or whatever it is, or clip-in hair that's curly enough and that can create that fringe, then you can use clip-in your clip-ins. Jesus, why is it so difficult to say? If you guys would like a tutorial on how to actually do clip-ins, then please do let me know, and then I will definitely come to you guys and get that done. So you're going to keep adding more curly hair to the front of your hair until you have the volume that you want for your fringe. To go into and create the updo pondo part, and that is like the Afro Puff, I'm just going to use my Afro Puff. I bought this from my local beauty supply store where I buy all my hair. However, you can get an Afro Puff or an Afro Pom Pom from Style Diva Hair. They have a website, and I realized that they actually do sell these for 84 Rand, which is almost the same price as what I bought mine for. But check your beauty supply store first, you might find something cheaper. And then just go ahead, take a scissors, and then just frame your face. Just snip in the parts of the hair that you don't like, or if you have some of the curly hair that's too long and ends up looking unnatural. Then I just went in with my red pins that I bought from Clicks, and I added them into my hair. You can add whatever color, you can use bobby pins, you can leave it as is if maybe what you're going for is more of a professional look and you don't want to add too much vavavoom to it. But you guys know vavavoom is my middle name. And just like that, guys, you have a simple, easy updo with a side fringe. Quick and easy, like 2-minute noodles. That's what I'm here with today. I hope that you guys did enjoy the video. If there are any styles that you guys would like me to recreate, if there are any if there's anything that you guys would like to see, just let me know down below. Leave a comment, subscribe, suggestions. Hey, just leave me some anything at all down below. I love you guys so much. I appreciate every comment, every like, every DM. You're my squad. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Mwah, 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 mwah. And if you guys would like to watch some of my content, it's somewhere here. All you have to do is click and stay on the channel.